Okay, guys, today we have Onyx coin, and Onyx coin, do not tell me that this is not primed for a short, you guys. I mean, look at that. By this time next week, I don't expect price to still be up here. So let's look at Onyx coin. It has a market cap of 400 million, fully diluted market cap of 660. So now the question is, can this thing double to 800 million? Okay, or a fully diluted valuation of 1.2 billion. So let's look at what it is. According to the website, it is the backbone of decentralized Web3 protocols. So what does that mean? The truth is, nobody really knows what that means except for the developers. But let's look at the utility. And for the utility, you can stake, vote, and pay for services on Onyx. Now, I'm all for cryptocurrency projects. I'm all for all of that, but I just want you to understand that the token are a mean of accessing governance modules on the Onyx protocol. So unless a lot of people suddenly want to access the governance module on the Onyx protocol, this price demand for the coin doesn't seem to be a very sustainable move. So this is nothing against the coin itself. It's just that when there is this much hype, guys, for a governance token, not a layer one, not a, I don't know, is it a layer one? I don't think it's a layer one. So there is nothing here in my mind, at least that I think can keep the price sustained for that much longer. So we're just going through the white paper real quick. The purpose of the Onyx blockchain network is to manage issuance, ownership, and control of digital assets. Assets are issued, transferred, and exchanged by posting transactions to the network. Okay, so that's basically just what a blockchain is. A single Onyx blockchain can support multiple types of assets. That's cool. Regardless, I'm just not sure that this coin is very sustainable. I'm trying to see. Let's go into their Twitter and let's have a look on their Twitter. Do they have a golden check mark? They don't have a check mark, okay, and they haven't posted anything. Maybe that's fine, but let's look. Oh, hold on. They do have a golden check mark. Okay, well, the only thing about the golden check mark is that the organization is willing to spend money, okay, because it's not cheap. Explorers on Etherscan, so I'm guessing probably they haven't launched a mainnet. Is there any news as to why? So you can get a discount, but that's not. So today they released a tweet saying that you can get a discount if you use Onyx coin towards payment towards chain products. Okay. A blockchain infrastructure to build scalable application. Okay. Cool. We are on track. According to this, we are on track for a 1st of February OIP that will incentivize running Onyx core nodes. Okay. See, this stuff maybe makes sense to developers, but we're traders, right? So what we really care about is the hype. So, there's a couple things you can do here. You can fade this move. Or you can wait for a downtrend, right? So eventually either you fade this move now or you can wait. If you want to wait, this here is a pretty serious supply zone, if I have to say so myself. Can it come back up to its glory days of, wow, 17 cents? That's gonna be a tough ask, you guys. That's gonna be a tough ask. I think, in my opinion, I don't think it has enough hype to be able to do that. I'm just trying to see if the utility of Onyx coin makes sense. We're just gonna see what happens. So obviously, huge move today. Did they just get listed on a huge exchange or something? Anyway, suddenly there was 7 billion transferred on this one day. 7 billion. That is a lot. So very hard to say if on-chain market cap is 900 million. Circulating supply market cap is 400 million. So I guess you can't even read the contract if you care about that stuff. But analytics wise, you can see there is just a sudden surge of demand here, right? And so whether or not this surge is sustainable remains to be seen. But in my opinion, I think it is basically going to be a very good short if you short Onyx coin. I just don't see this move as being sustainable, but it is a bull market. I would say if you want to be conservative, you can wait for, this is so basic, guys. Every trading course teaches this, right? You wait for something like this. Okay, lower low, lower low, and then go for the short somewhere around this level here. So RSI clearly oversold, but it is the first day of just suddenly such a huge volume going into Onyx coin. I don't think this is sustainable, guys. I don't think this is sustainable. If you like Onyx coin, not there. This doesn't mean, by the way, this doesn't mean that there is a problem with the coin. That's just not what it means. All I'm saying is that this is a good short opportunity. Okay. What is a good short opportunity? A good short opportunity is when you have the chance to make a 1 to 2 risk reward. Okay, if you can make a 1 to 2 in the market, any market, on a short especially, it's a good trade to take, right? So obviously, look, if you had bought, I didn't even think about buying Onyx coin at all, right? But if you had bought Onyx coin just freaking 2 days ago, you'd be up like 400%. You'd be up 400% already from just 2 days ago. Now, this is, in my opinion, a very unsustainable move towards the upside. So let me know what you think about Onyx coin. I think that Onyx coin is primed for a short, just because number one, it's a governance token. I just don't really see the use case that will generate that much hype or that much demand for the coin. Just because there's no demand for the coin, okay, no demand for the coin basically just pushes the price down. But it doesn't mean there's anything wrong with the technology. Let me just continue saying this, that there is nothing wrong with the technology. We are only looking at the price, okay? And to be honest, the developers don't care. It's not that they don't care about the price, it's they don't know which way the price is going. And in case you haven't noticed, okay, they already cashed the fuck out of their position, most likely, okay, because they want to get paid. So the rest of this is just all speculative. Okay, once the coin is on the market, the developers sell their coins because this is what they get paid in. Okay, but just imagine that you were paid to do something and you were given this coin as your salary. You're gonna sell it because you need to pay your bills. Okay, so there's nothing wrong with them selling it to pay their bills. But now we cannot fall in love with this coin because the builders of the coin, you can see they sold, so we should not be that attached to the coin either. This is just something I want you guys to understand when we short a coin. Okay, thank you guys. I think this is going to be a very good short for this week, and I'll see you in another video.